Hello friends, in today's video you will have to use your logical thinking to solve 3 simple and interesting puzzles. We will start with the easy puzzle and then move to the difficult one. So let's see if you can answer all 3. Puzzle number 1. 3 friends go for a movie. One day Anil, Bunty and Chintu, they go to a cinema hall to watch a movie. They buy 3 tickets and they get 3 seats which are adjacent to each other. Out of these 3 seats, 1 seat is a corner seat as it is shown in the picture below. Now I will give you 2 clues and based on that you will have to tell who is sitting on the corner seat. Clue number 1. Anil and Chintu are not sitting next to each other. Clue number 2. Bunty is sitting to the left of Chintu. Now based on these 2 clues, can you tell who is sitting on the corner seat? So this was an easy puzzle, but the next one is slightly difficult. But before moving to the next puzzle, let's look at the answer of this one. So we know that they have got 3 seats and out of that 1 seat is a corner seat. And since Anil and Chintu are not sitting next to each other, this means Bunty is sitting in between Anil and Chintu. So Bunty is sitting on the middle seat. Now let's look at the next clue. It says Bunty is sitting to the left of Chintu. This means Chintu is sitting on the right side of both Anil and Bunty and Anil is sitting on the leftmost seat which is the corner seat. So the correct answer is Anil. Now let's move to the next puzzle. Puzzle number 2. 4 friends go for a movie. This time Chintu's girlfriend Dimpy also joins them for a movie. So all 4, which means Anil, Bunty, Chintu and Dimpy, they go for a movie. This time they buy 4 tickets and they get 4 adjacent seats, out of which 1 seat is a corner seat, as it is shown in the picture below. Now I will give you 3 clues and based on that you will have to tell who is sitting on the corner seat. Clue number 1. Anil and Chintu are not sitting next to each other. Clue number 2. A stranger is sitting on the right side of Anil. Clue number 3. Chintu is sitting to the right side of Dimpy. So based on these 3 clues, can you tell who is sitting on the corner seat? If you need more time, then you can pause this video. So let's see what is the answer of this one. This time they are having 4 seats and out of those 4 seats, the leftmost seat is the corner seat. Anil and Chintu are not sitting next to each other. This means that there is someone who is sitting between Anil and Chintu. Now according to the second clue, a stranger is sitting on the right side of Anil. So this means that out of the 4 seats, Anil is sitting on the rightmost seat. And according to the first clue, Anil and Chintu are not sitting next to each other. This means Chintu is not sitting on the seat which is to the immediate left of Anil. So Chintu is sitting either on the corner seat or the seat which is to the right of the corner seat. Now clue 3 says that Chintu is sitting to the right of Dimpy and this can only happen if Dimpy is sitting on the corner seat and that way Chintu will be sitting on the right side of Dimpy. So according to all these clues, Dimpy is sitting on the corner seat, Chintu is sitting to the right of Dimpy and Bunty is on the right of Chintu. So the correct answer is Dimpy. Dimpy is sitting on the corner seat. So were you able to guess the correct answer? Now let's move to the third and the final puzzle. Puzzle number 3. 5 friends go for a movie. This time Dimpy's friend Ellie also joins them for a movie. So all 5 of them, Anil, Bunty, Chintu, Dimpy and Ellie, they go for a movie. This time they buy 5 tickets and they get 5 adjacent seats, out of which 1 seat is a corner seat as shown in the picture below. Now I will give you 4 clues and based on that you will have to tell who is sitting on the corner seat. Clue number 1. Chintu and Dimpy are sitting next to each other. Clue number 2. Ellie is sitting to the immediate right of Dimpy? Clue number 3. Anil and Bunty are not sitting next to each other? And clue number 4. Chintu is sitting to the right side of Anil. So based on these 4 clues, can you tell who is sitting on the corner seat? If you need more time, then you may pause this video. So have you found the answer for this one? So let's see what the answer is. This time there are 5 seats, out of which 1 seat is a corner seat. The first clue says Chintu and Dimpy are sitting next to each other. We will come to this clue in a while, but let's look at the second clue. Second clue says Ellie is sitting to the immediate right of Dimpy. So if we combine the first and the second clue, it implies that Dimpy is sitting between Chintu and Ellie is sitting on the right side of Dimpy. This arrangement is possible in 3 ways. In the first way, Chintu is sitting on the corner seat. In the second way, Chintu is sitting one right to the corner seat. And in the third way, Chintu is sitting 2 right to the corner seat. But now let's look at the next clue. Next clue says Anil and Bunty are not sitting next to each other. This is only possible if Anil and Bunty are sitting at the extreme corners, which means Chintu, Dimpy and Ellie, they are sitting between Anil and Bunty. So either Anil or Bunty is sitting on the left corner seat. Now let's look at the fourth clue. It says Chintu is sitting to the right side of Anil. So this is possible only if Anil is sitting on the corner seat. So in this puzzle you can see that this is the correct order in which they are sitting in the cinema hall. So were you able to give the correct answer? Do mention in the comments if you were able to give the correct answer. If you have liked this video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And please subscribe this channel for more such interesting videos. Till then, goodbye.